Right, this is video at T5 with its body filler in.
For T6.
Is it? Fuck's sake. Start again. Right then, that better? That's the one. Right then, T6.1 transporter Ravenna blue with bare metal bonnet. I've got some body filler in front there, ready to be rubbed down. But I've got the filler in the side of the van, so now we can see where the damage in the car park dents are. There's some scratches and chips in it as well, but we'll be able to buzz them out with sander. But here, there's a nice piece of damage on corner, so I've had to build corner up as well. I'll rub that down, looking nice. Just a car park dent in the door. 3 or 4 scratches and dented scratches in the side load door. There's still some chips here and there, but we'll just buzz them out with sander. We've got a dent in the rear quarter panel. Well, it's got 2, one here as well. We've got a bumper scuff down here. I don't think we're going to be able to see that. And then here's the back tailgate. Now there's a few pieces of dents. I think it's had a bike rack on it. So there's still some marks here. What's going to buzz out with sander. But these dents and stuff have probably been caused by chucking bike on bike rack. There's quite a big dent up here in the roof as well. I've stripped parking sensors out in it, and I've taken reflectors out of it. And we'll take that bumper off probably later on, or not at all, we'll see. And we'll see what Lee says. I'm just going to get on rubbing that body filler down, and we'll see how we go and get some primer on her.
Right then, it's Saturday. Yesterday, I primed it up, primed repairs on wing, door, all the way down this side. Yeah, primed it all, as you can see. And I've blocked it with a 320 on block. So I'm in this morning and I'm going to get it ready for paint today and hopefully get some paint on her. So I'm going to run over this with DA now with 500, get rid of them 320 scratches, and then all the little in-betweeny bits there I'm going to get by hand, such as, you know, down there. You can't really get edge blocking down there, or sander for that matter. And then we'll throw a bag over it and get some paint on it. So yeah, let's go. Right then, we're all masked up, ready to go. Stuck some brown paper over the top of them wings, both sides, just while I wet epoxy this bonnet. So I'm going to clean bonnet off, mix up my epoxy primer, wet and wet, and we're going to give that 2 coats on that bonnet. We're going to flash it off, we'll peel brown paper off, and then we're going to smash this with Ravenna blue. See, we're all taped up, ready to go. I'm going to try and keep away from them edges as much as I can because I don't want to, I'm not wanting to blend them quarter panels. So it's a bit naughty, it's a bit close, but it's been spectroed, so it should be all right. Colour match looks good, so we should be good. So yeah, let's do that. Let's get some wet and wet on this bonnet, flash it off, and we'll go from there.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Right then, that's it. She's all done, all painted up. Looking beautiful. Beautiful colour. That's what you want, innit? That is what you want. I'll show you how proper spray painters take selfies. Are you ready? Bosh! Beautiful! Repairs have come out nice. Yes. Looks lovely. That's it then. We'll get it ripped off, bagging ripped off on it on Monday. Yeah, and crack on with other bits. There's all sorts to do to it. Bumper, well, front bumper, alt kit, alt gloss black bits. We mentioned before in another video. There's loads to do to it. So yeah, that'll be it for today, and I will catch up with you on Monday.